Going on, Mopar community? Well, if y'all been following the last video where I painted the shifter surround with the water drop or moon crater effect, however you want to call it. Well, today is the install of the finished product. I'm gonna stop talking. Just watch the videos and pictures as they come through right now. Well, thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button, that like or dislike button, doesn't matter to me. And then hit that bell for notifications on when I'm going to put my next video up on here on YouTube. But thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time.